Yo, what's up everybody? Yeah, there's like a little bug in my video. Just warning you guys about it. It's like in the middle near the end. Like at the very end you can hear the audio again, but it won't let me. I try to be adding the audio for like a whole time, like an hour and two. They won't let me, so if you hear no audio, that means it's gonna be coming back really at the end. So I'm sorry, I can't do anything. Um, the intro Russell rebuild, it should be coming out tomorrow because I'm editing this one. So yeah, stay tuned to that, and yeah, see you guys. First, we need to go to coaching and just a lineup. All right, I'm planning to keep him off the bench. Most likely. Keep Lance, Garland, skip 9 minutes into him, I guess. And let's just do one trade real quick. Let's do Delhi. We can do Daniel. I don't feel like having time for him, so we're just automatically gonna send him off for one cook. Yeah. 6 mil though, so yeah. Here's some rockets. Yes, okay. So we just got that done. Maybe we could trade Delhi. Maybe. Wait, yeah, he's on an expiring contract, so let's get Thompson, I guess, out of you. I guess if there's nothing, I guess it's on his last year, so we're gonna have to even trade him, I guess. Draymond. Ooh. I'm guessing Blake Griffin. You're gonna have the 2 blockades in here. Plus Matthew Delnova. Big trade. Alright, bet. We're just gonna just add that, and there we go, boys. Alright, making 2 trades off the bat. Now, I'm not gonna make any more trades, but hey, Osman off the bench. Ooh, this team is looking really good, actually. Like, Wade, Markieff Morris for that dude. I guess 29 minutes, so let's add on 20. Shoot, let's give 13 to him. 25 should be good. Ooh, we got Kevin Love. Oh shoot. Ooh, I guess 25. I guess now we have to give minutes up for. I'll tell you, you're getting 10. So I want to play Markieff Morris, but give him some minutes off. Give that some minutes off. Let's give 6 more minutes. I guess that's good enough. Then let's add this and change Zizits. We're not gonna play him, so let's do more of that. And I guess this dude, I guess. Alright guys, yeah. I will see you guys in the off season, and because I don't think we're gonna make the playoffs. If we do, hey, I'll take it. But yeah, I'll see you guys at the end of the season, I guess, or regular season, if we make the playoffs. All right, see you guys then. Hey everybody, yeah, we didn't make the playoffs. I mean, we was close. We had made, I think, Brooklyn next to lose 2 games, and we had to win the last 2 games, but we lost one and they won one, so it was already over. We had a tiny bit. I can't speak today. All right, we have a tiny chance. Maybe goes to 8th seed, but no. Giannis win MVP. Drummond Rookie of the Year. I predict that too. Six-man dance shooter. Defense player Kawhi Leonard, of course. Jaylen Brown, most improved, and Brad Stevens, Coach of the Year. Okay, let's just send right through this. Basically, we didn't make the playoffs. Alright, guys, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, Clippers won the championship. My brother, he just came in. He wanted me to tell you something. He had 10,000 MT on my team. That's it. So I had to end the recording and all that. That's why you guys didn't hear the voice of me for a quick sec. Yeah, you guys were just, yeah, never mind. So yeah, Clippers won. Kawhi Leonard's MVP. Okay. Dang, the Raptors. Holy crap. They're about to be a show-off. Alright, I don't care about the league management. Let's just decline all of that. Decline. Okay, let's keep it as NBA rules. Draft lottery. I don't think we're in the... We are in the somewhat lottery. To the 11th. We have the... Dang, 11th. Alright. Maybe we can move up in... I'm thinking moving up. I don't know. Assistant, yeah, definitely fire you because, yeah. Let's get that good assistant. So let me just money. Okay. Dang, 11 offers. Holy crap. Dang, 5 offers. Hey, I might as well just offer you a lot then. Screw the haters. Alright. And CFO, I don't think this has mattered, but hey. Alright. We just got all those guys. Ooh, I don't want to trade in the NBA draft, so maybe get Kevin Love or somebody. So yeah, that's why it was like a little quick delay, but hey. I'm expecting doing 2 rebuilds in one night. That's gonna be hard, but hey. Plus downloading it is a pain, trust me guys. But hey, I ain't complaining. I mean, I am complaining, never mind then. I ain't looking great for us. Maybe add block A, maybe. Give me a high pick, maybe. 8th pick, what's Derrick Rose? 5th plus Julia Randle. Ooh, buddy. I maybe add, wait. Before we do that, we add this, then that. I'm hoping high, please. Wow, that's it. Ah, shoot. Maybe exit that one. Oh shoot. And 9th. Yeah, I'm thinking that Kevin Love, man. Yep, it has to be that with that Kevin Love, I guess. So, where's that at? What was that 9th pick at? It wasn't 9th pick. It was. I'm trying to look for something that's high. So. Maybe Nance, boom boom. How much is that, I guess? We might have to just keep. Alright. Ooh. No. It was that 5th pick, okay. 8th pick, 5th. I'm doing the 5th, guys, so New York is gonna be stacked. I know that for sure, but hey. Business is business, so let's do this, that. Alright, how much is that? No. Ah, shoot. Yep, I knew it. That's gonna happen. I guess. Shoot. I'm trying to get at least like one more pick higher. I guess. Shoot. I guess we're just doing the draft. If we can't, we're gonna have to just keep it as that. But let's try to trade with somebody that's good. Trade finisher. Boom. 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 And shoot. Yep. All right. Just that. All right. Maybe cancel out the 5th. Maybe add Larry Nance to the talk. I guess. I'm trying to get a high pick, not just players. I don't think so. Let me just go straight up for that him. And shoot, I kind of got robbed. Boys. It ain't looking good for us now. The first pick was Tobias Harris. Yes. Please. Ooh, but the trade 11th though. We have 2 picks and the high picks. That made no sense, but wait, did I just got robbed? I just got robbed. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just got robbed. Wow, I'm an idiot. I just trade up. I'm an idiot. Alright, we're just gonna have to just go full blood. I'm not even gonna say that. Okay. 3rd pick plus D'Lo, I guess, man. Alright, we just got the 3rd pick. Oh, they picked Cole Anthony. Freak, alright. Hopefully they didn't pick Edwards. Please say they didn't pick Edwards. Anthony Edwards, but we just got Edwards, guys. And yeah, we just got Edwards. I'll take him. 77. They got robbed. Because I was gonna take Cole Anthony, but LaMelo Ball fall down to the 76ers. Holy crap, man. Alright, team option. He of course declined it. It's I guess. Qualifying offense. I don't want to. Nope. Alright. I guess let's go free agency. Ooh, we got like. We could get him back. We could. But we also got Anthony Davis, though. But we got Brandon Ingram on the block, too. So, ooh, buddy. This is kind of tough right now because I could get Anthony Davis or Andre Drummond back. Wait, how much? Oh, shoot, I forgot to do the, stats. He averaged 15 points. How much he averaged? 26, yeah. That's just better going with him. Look, yeah, he declined hard. Ooh. Maybe Brandon Ingram? Yeah, we could get Ingram. But is that the move we could get? I feel like he could break out some year, but 17 points. I feel like I don't know, guys, what to do. Because I don't know if I want Andre Drummond or Ingram again. But we already got the rebounds, right? Yeah, oh shoot, yeah, we need a center bad. I guess, I mean, this is hard, I guess. Of course he's gonna sign with us, so. Okay, buddy, okay. Okay, guys, we just got Andre Drummond again, I guess, so. Welcome back to the team, I guess. Because we needed the rebounding bad, so. We don't need no shooters. Just 73, so... shoot. I mean, I feel like it was a bad idea because we got 17 mil back. And they're not looking for 17 mil, so... You can get, like, somebody, like, this high up, so... You could get Clarkson back. Nah, you don't want that, so... I guess John Henson... Oh, shit. Henson back. Okay, yeah, the clip ended, so... Yeah, it's every 10 minutes, so that's why I'm doing rebuild. Rebuilds is a lot more easier. The only bad thing is the download. We could get him back. Should we, though? No, he don't want that, so... I am scrolling way down. Shoot. I need a center bad. Yeah, he's not even gonna talk to me ever again, so... He's definitely not gonna... No one's nowhere off the nope. Definitely no, so... I'm just trying to find somebody that can... Yeah, he just declined it. It was close. Shoot. Palm maker. Oh, we already got so many people. We need a power forward. Holy crap. Guess Paxton Patterson for the mid. And power forwards. Maybe Mello. Nope. Alright. Maybe Markieff Morris. Does he got anybody? I think he does. No, he's gonna definitely come back to us. Alright, then we got other. Alright. So, basically, here's the team right now. Very interesting. I know we should be fine. But I'm trying to get this team to at least Eastern Conference Championship at least. I'm doing at least 4 seasons, so I'm on my first seasons down over with. So 4 seasons, I guess, then whatever's there is there. So because I ain't doing like the other Cavs rebuild. It took me nearly an hour. Or that's gonna take me an hour. Just trust me, an hour video or close to an hour is it took a really long time, so 2021 I guess. Alright guys, training camp, let's just go untapped potential. Let's go to you. Oh, he has an A, so let's go straight to the season. We signed people, I guess. Who did we sign? Ah, heck no. You get off my team. Matt Mullen. Wait, did we get him back? Oh, shit, we didn't. Alright. Well, we have to sign at least one more power forward. Would you be willing? Nope. Alright, we need a power forward, so... Let's, we just need a backup power forward. Any backup. I mean, you're fine, so... Can you take maybe a minute, though? Yeah, he would want the... You know what? We got nothing to lose, so I guess. As a backup, wow. Okay. Alright. I guess, here's the coaching game plan, I guess. Here's the team I build. Darius Garland's getting no minutes. Because D'Lo's getting him up. And Sexton coming off the bench. Holy crap. What is going on? Holy crap. Yeah, you definitely gonna get, like... We need to get Garland some minutes. Like, that's, like, no doubt about it. So, like... Yeah. And there you go. So yeah, that's the team. And yes, at the end of the season, I will do the players, stats. So, yeah, we're gonna go to the end of the season. I'm predicting we should make the playoffs this season. So, if we don't, let's trade people. So, yeah, I will see you guys in a bit. Alright, everybody, we made the playoffs. Definitely. We went 41-41. It's not too bad. Giannis won MVP. Rookie of the Year, Cole Anthony. Parker, 6-man. Kawhi Leonard, defensive player. Anthony Malone. Sorry if I can't say his name right. And Kenny, I can't say his last name, so, yeah. So, basically, we made the 7th seed, so we're facing Boston. First things first. So I don't know if Garland's playing. Garland's not playing. Or Kevin Porter. What is he doing? Alright, let's lower his minutes. Let's lower definitely his minutes. I know he's balling. Keep his minutes. Alright, you want 16? Alright. Alright, it's 27 minutes. Garland, you better get your butt in. 15, 20. Give 7 minutes, so. Okay. And boom. Alright. That's the rotation for the playoffs. And assimilated by game. Yeah. So we coming out strong, and we win game 1, so that's great. Game 2 now. They have the home court advantage. No, they've been having. Alright, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Ooh, we had that lead for a quick second, so it's possible. Oh shoot, we're down 3-1. I might have to hop in here. Oh, they just came back and beat us. Oh, that sucks. Alright. I'm guessing it's gonna be Luka and Philly, I guess. Wow. Brooklyn came back. Wow, and they're going to the finals. Wow, Grizzlies and Nets. Wow, they almost choked that too. Okay. KD wins MVP. Alright, we're on our third. No, technically it's on second, so. Alright, league management. Let me just reject all that. Okay, buddy. Draft lottery. I don't think we have any draft picks, but if we do, I'll take it. Nope. I mean, we're gonna have a somewhat draft pick. We have the 16th. Yeah, we just have the 16th, so. Assistant GM. Yeah, alright. Let me sign you up with some money. Alright. We have currently 9 mil. I'm saying trade somebody. We trade somebody at least. Like, do I want to really trade D'Lo? Because D'Lo is not bad. It's just we need to win now, though. John Wall. Maybe D'Lo in the 16th, and I guess I'll pick this year. 88, 89. Ooh, we could get Siakam. I'm trying to make this rebuild like go. So like, what's Siakam at? 89. Is it really worth it though? Yeah, it's worth it. Hopefully we have some cap space. What do we have? Oh shoot, player stats. Oh shoot. Yeah, keep on forgetting. Alright, sex number 22. Siakam just joined. Yeah, I don't count. 16. And yeah. Alright, shoot. Alright. I was way too late to do that, but hey. I guess, can we have anybody as a draft pick if we trade somebody like Louis Nance maybe? Can we get it like a 10th or like 12th we can get? Plus we're getting a good player back, but yeah. Is it really worth it though? Is it really worth it? Shoot. Nance he's really good though, but Robinson, he's alright, but not that great though. Shoot. Maybe XM maybe. If we can get a draft pick off him, I'll take it. 22. The 4th. Oh, second round. I was going to say. No way. Could just trade him. But what's somebody good we out with change, so. Yeah. We have no draft pick. Shoot. We get senior. What's up with it? Yeah, maybe. I think we have too many bigs though. Alright. Alright, well, we're not doing nothing right now, so we're skipping out on the NBA draft, boys. We are skipping out. Alright. Sexton, I would definitely accept yours. Garland, definitely bring all this back. Sexton back. Yeah, he accepted. Alright. Thank God. CJ, I guess. But we need to like come out with people that like Giannis. I wish. Kawhi. I wish. I mean, we could probably trade Andre Drummond. But should we do that though? Should we do that? Will Barnes and him. Klay Thompson, though. Klay, but who's making less? We would have a good 3-point shooter, but we don't have a good center, though. Because Andre Drummond is the only center. Crap. I mean, we could trade. No, we can't trade Siakam. Can we trade Anthony Edwards, though, for somebody? That's great. I guess. Clay. Oh, with that Drummond, though. I was gonna say. I mean, we could try, though, but, hey, but I don't think it's a great move, though. Like, can we add him? Add for him. And add this pool. Nope. They would be the minus, so we have to add somebody that's like big in the contracts. Wiggins, no, that's no way impossible. 80 overall, nope. Here I was just straight up, nope. We're gonna have to get somebody that's like shoot. No, Edwards and first pick. Could get PJ Washington. Ooh. That's a big one. Alright guys, we didn't make the playoffs. What about it? I'm not even gonna show it. Here it is. Yeah, I'm keeping my voice now. We went 25 and 57. I mean, I literally don't know what to do for the Andre Jones rebuild because I tried everything. The Depot, CJ McCollum, I had everybody you can imagine. And they still didn't make the playoffs. I'm not even the playoffs. So, yeah, we have ended this rebuild. I will see you guys later, and yeah, and peace everybody.